is up, everybody? It's your boy, Etard Adventures. Just want to let everybody know that I am changing the name on my YouTube channel because we have over 400 videos now on YouTube. And I don't want those videos to get taken away or banned because somebody thinks my name is offensive, that Etard is offensive. So, everybody that watches my channel, you can still call me Etard Adventures or whatever, but the new channel name is going to be Huckabee's Adventures. We're going to use my last name. We're going to keep it going. Huckabee's Adventures. We never got to change the channel name again. That's the name of the new channel, is Huckabee's Adventures. So today, I wanted to give you all that to let you know what was going on with the YouTube channel. But on this episode of Huckabee's Adventures, we are going to be putting floor pans in the car, using the new plasma cutter, the Reboot plasma cutter, and getting our third motor mount cut and everything installed in the car so the motor is good. So, hope you enjoy the episode. Please leave some comments afterwards. Let me know you're watching and you liked it. Subscribe and like, and tell everybody you know that now we are Huckabee's Adventures. Much love and enjoy the video. That is insane.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
So then I had a spark plug around it. My hood. Yeah.
Isn't that crazy though?
That's crazy.
Yeah. Woo! Yo, what's up everybody? I took my factory Honda motor mount. Me and Big Mike made. Took my plasma cutter and we cut this section out. And we're installing a plate with a hole in it. A hole in it here you see. For our new motor mount. I had a significant gap there from using some scrap plates, so I'm gonna take that and weld that in. And then give her a little help in there. And over here, this is what we come up with. I gotta trim that piece off the firewall there, no big deal. But that motor mount bolts to the factory transmission. It's actually a transmission mount, but there's 3 bolt holes in that on that plate, and then that other plate's gonna sit directly on top of the pipe. And then you put your bolt through, because we've hard mounted everything. That's the other motor mount we made. So the motor's in there, we got the back one in, and then we will at some point be building the front bar and then have the front motor mount, and then the motor is in, and we can continue to something else.